Hey friends, in this video I will give you a structure for writing your application to start your career after school in the best possible way. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Maxi and here we talk about the tips and tricks for improving your life as a student. So let's get into the structure of your application cover letter so you can get started writing your own one for your career after school or university. But first, introduction. At this point, you address the readers of your cover letter and you also make clear for which exact job you are applying for with this cover letter. Point number 2 is your profile. By showing your profile, you tell them what you are currently up to or what keeps you busy. And here you could write that you are currently a student at university and looking for a great first step into the world of work. Point number 3, the reason for your application. And at this point you should make clear why you are exactly interested in this job or in this position. And you should also make clear what qualifies you for this position. And especially as a student, you have to explain your motivation as you can come directly from school or university, although you do not have any experience in similar jobs. So as a student, the motivation part without having any experience is very important in point number 3. Point number 4, personal strength. At this point, you outline your personal strengths that are needed for this particular job. And here it's very important to have a look at the requirements that are mentioned for this position and to pick those up and connect them to your personal strength. By doing this, it is very easy for the recruiter to recognize your fit for this exact position. Point number 5 and the last point, closing. Here you write, for example, that you really look forward to a personal meeting and you might also want to put your personal signature on here. But I personally am not a huge fan of a signature as I think it's just not necessary at this point. But yeah, some people like that, some people don't. You just have to decide that on your own, or you can also have a look what is common for your industry, for example, and then adjust to common things. Yeah, that was already my structure or my recommended structure for your application cover letter. That will hopefully help you getting started with a job you really want after school and to get started with a great career. And I actually got inspired to do this video by watching a German video about the same topic. And I will of course link this video in the video description. So if you're German, you can of course also check out this video. It's also a great one. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about the job interview success framework that will help you succeeding in the interview after a successful cover letter. And please leave a like to this video and also subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.